Hello everyone, I'm from Tony, the Skyworth. Today I want to unbox with you the Skyworth 4K, a standalone 3D 4K headset that I got in Qingdao from Skyworth. It is a company from Hong Kong that does a lot of electronic devices from television, refrigerators and such. And it's also developing interesting VR headsets that have very high resolution. So let me unbox with you the device and then I will review it on my website as well. So here you are, the Skyworth VR headset, the box that is very simple. There are just some indications, something about the company, and a photo of the headset. So let's open this box by sliding it, and voila, there is another box. This one is just black, just all white. So using a pair of scissors, just let's cut these seals. Yeah, it's more difficult than I expected. Okay, luckily there's only one seal. As you see, the box is pretty simple but elegant nonetheless. Here you are the headset, the Skyworth. So you see there are some keys to control it even without the controller. There's a lot for SD card. The buttons to turn it on and to change the volume, and here there are other connectors, the connector for the USB and the connector for the mic, and here are the optics. Just let me remove one of these to let you focus on it better. Interesting, they seem not Fresnel. Here there is the box that is now empty, just with some foam to protect the headset. And here there is a little box that will contain the accessories, I guess. So here you are the strap that you have to put on the headset so that you can wear it. It's strange that it's not mounted by default. Here you are the controller. Looks like a bit like the Daydream controller. So let me unbox it for you here now. And yeah, it's a bit like the Daydream controller. It sounds a bit rough, the surface. It's interesting. What is else? The USB cable. Yes. USB, 2 batteries, the very famous Deanda company, and the power plug to charge the headset, of course with the Chinese plug, because it has given me in China, so of course this is very Chinese headset. Something to clean my headset. This is very useful for all the headsets that I have. And here you are also this very interesting instructions paper full of Chinese characters that I don't understand. And I guess it's very useful. It explains what is the controller, the headset, and the various content of the box. So here you are with this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Skyworth 4K headset. If it is the case, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it, and also give me a lot of money on Patreon so that I can continue doing these videos. And if you're interested in the Skyworth headset, you can read the full review that I've written about it on my blog, that goes to also. You can find the link in the description of this video. That's it for today. For the rest, I hope you have a wonderful VR day. Goodbye.